So this is the furniture you got. Say hi. Like I was saying, this is the furniture that you find in Walmart. I'm gonna really show you guys the quality. If you go look up right here, you see a bunch of sawdust glued together, right? Look at this. Sawdust. This is sawdust. Why is the door? Where's the door? And why do you think that only costs $98? Why do you think that only costs $69? This furniture is made out of trash. You can see the sawdust popping up to say hi. If you want real furniture, Backyard Builds is the place to go. Hello everybody, it's Miles Bonds at Backyard Builds. So this is what we're gonna be making. I'm me and my secondhand woman.
Excuse me, guys. Let me rephrase that. So you know how when people say my secondhand man, yeah, it's the same thing. I don't know why you guys think so negative.
We're gonna be making today. So the customer has a TV and a fireplace. So what I'm going to be building is I'm going to be building a closet, a custom closet and cabinets around their TV. Woo! Around their TV. So it just is going to look way better. And by the way, guys, I got some flyers out. Some of y'all is probably going to get them. Some of y'all seen them. But let me show y'all the flyers. Flyers right here. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful. So here's the list of materials that I'm going to need. So let's get started on this video.
So right now I'm just measuring out 13 1/4. This is going to be for my top, my sides, and my shelves. I need to cut about 8 pieces at these dimensions, but I know you guys don't want to watch all that, so I'm just going to cut the video short. But keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do next. Just look at my new Bauer compact circular saw. Say it with me, compact circular saw. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be at a width of 13 1/4, and I'm gonna cut this a total of 8 times, but I'm gonna only show like about 2 times of cutting it, so that way I don't waste you guys' time. And I made sure to get multiple angles for you guys because I respect you. And because I know if you're watching this video, you most likely want to learn or you just want to see how I'm doing it. So I know with the more angles, it makes you feel like you're there. So what you see now, I'm going to be doing twice. These are the sides of the closet. I'm going to be cutting them at 95 1/4.
Nothing but negativity.
Right now, I'm just cutting out the shelves for the closet. It's going to be at a length of 23 1/2. I'm going to be doing this 4 times. But as you watch, just look how patient I'm being with the wood. Look how I'm touching the wood. Look how I'm respecting the wood. And that's all because I'm being disrespectful by even cutting the wood. So I just want to let them know I appreciate them.
We gonna be out here all day long. We gonna be out here all day.
So right here, guys, I'm going to be measuring out 59 inches. This is going to be for the middle shelf that's going to connect from the 2 sides of the cabinets. And I'm going to be cutting out a piece at 25 inches. This is going to be for the top left side of the closet. This top right piece is going to be 79 inches. This is going to be for the right side of the cabinet. And guys, I'm just using these simple hand tools just to show you guys it's real easy and you don't need that expensive stuff. Would you just look at the accuracy? I am going to cut out the sides of the cabinets. They're going to be measured at 54 1/4, and I'm going to be cutting out 3 pieces. So now, oh Lord, no, I don't got COVID. So now I'm going to be cutting out 8 pieces for the shelves. 4 are going to be at 8 1/2, and for the other 4 is going to be at 9 1/4. But I know y'all don't want to watch all that. I know that most of y'all only watching this video because I told you to. So I'm just going to cut it short, probably show me just cutting 4 of them. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and turn all the pieces of wood that I cut into some really strong, durable shelves using my pocket hole punch. This is going to be for the 8 pieces of wood that you've seen and for the 4 pieces of wood that I cut for the closet. Just making the lines exactly where they have to be for the shelves. Notice how I got the wood exactly side by side. That way the line is as straight as possible. So after this, I'm just going to go ahead and screw them down. So right now I'm just gonna cut out all the pieces that I need for the face frame. So this is gonna be just for the front of the cabinet. So right now, guys, I'm about to make the doors. So I just gotta cut out 2 doors from this piece of plywood. So keep in mind, what you see, I'm going to be doing it twice. So now it's time to go over to the hand router. This is just to get the edges of the wood nice and smooth so the doors don't just look like a box. I like this part. I like when the sawdust gets in my eye. So now I'm just gonna screw in the backing of this closet. This is gonna be where the hooks are on the bottom, and the top is gonna be where I screw in the Tapcons into the brick. Day number 2. Look at the sun outside. You could tell it's a new day. So right now, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the whole thing together right before your eyes. So this is probably, I don't want to talk no more. I don't feel like talking no more either. And I know some of y'all are probably tired of hearing my voice. So I'm just going to make the doors, and I'm just going to assemble this, nail it, glue it, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Well, as you guys can see, the reason why I added those 2 wooden beams was so I can attach the cabinet to the closet. I was thinking about you guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick look. And boop. So now that I got all that screwing out the way, I'm just gonna cut all the pieces down for the face frame, and then I'm gonna glue them and nail them. Okay. So now everybody, I'm just gonna go ahead and get these doors ready, get the hinges installed. Then I'm gonna install the doors onto the closet. I know, I'm far away, but I'm gonna come close to you. So I'm just gonna screw in these hinges onto the cabinet door, and I'm gonna show you guys what's next, that's all.
They say let the sun shine. Let the sun shine bright. Do we gotta show you guys this again? What, you wanna see it beneath it? I got you. As you see, guys, all right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and bring it and install it to the customer's house. As you see, guys, I built it in sections. This is the middle shelf. Right here, it comes apart. I'm gonna sit up there temporarily. Here goes the divider. Yeah, here goes, so it's basically 4 pieces, so when I get there, it could be a quick, easy install. So guys, just stay posted, and I'm gonna get crafty real soon. Also, what I did, guys, to raise it off the floor a little bit, I just added some legs. I added some legs at the top, and I'm gonna add some legs at the bottom because they wanted it raised off the floor 9 inches. So now I cut out some trim at 9 inches, and I'm just gonna box it all off and do the same thing all around, guys, just like this. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's complete.
So there it goes, guys. That's how it looks with the trim on the bottom. So now for the installation. So guys, I'm just gonna cut this real short because at the end of the day, who really wants to watch something being built? So I'm just gonna use my, as you've seen, my Ryobi regular drill just to put a hole inside of the wood. After that, I'm gonna use my hammer drill to get into that brick that is right behind that plaster. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and screw my Tapcons in. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned. That right there is my best bud, Jalen. I'm very appreciative that he came to help me on this job. Thank you, bro. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and add that level. Bloop. Just so I make sure it's perfect. I like everything to look nice at the end. And after this, I'm just going to go ahead and screw the cabinet together and screw some Tapcons to mount it to the wall. And then after this, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and add the handles for the door. But just stay tuned to the very end, guys, just so you see what it looks like when it's completely finished, because it looks beautiful in this client's house. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to say my thanks as we approach the end. But one more thing, I just want you guys to look at the pre-drawing of what the customer wanted. This is what they envisioned. This is what they had in mind. This is the creation they wanted to bring to life. And I made sure the customer got exactly what they wanted, because the customer always gets what they want. So again, guys, thank you very much for watching. And again, this is real furniture. This is going to last longer than the house itself. And it's just real furniture, real quality furniture, man. You can't find anything like this in stores. So again, guys, thank you very much for watching, and you have a great day and stay safe.